Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if options in settings are grayed out, unclickable or locked like location services, receipts options, screen time, region, mobile data, etc., don't panic. This is a common iOS control behavior, not a random bug. In iPhone settings 2026, settings are usually grayed out due to restrictions, profiles, account status, or system conditions. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to fix grayed out settings on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. So why settings become grayed out? So most common causes are screen time restrictions, work or school management profiles, family sharing limitations, active subscriptions or Apple ID locks, VPN or device management conflicts, system glitches or low power status. Okay, so identify which setting is grayed out. So different grayed out items have different fixes. Common ones include location services, receipts options, mobile data or Wi-Fi options. Okay, so turn off screen time. Okay, so most common fix. Screen time is the #1 reason settings are locked. So go to settings, screen time, tap turn off screen time. Okay, so you have to turn it off from the bottom option. So enter screen time passcode and receipt iPhone, then check the grayed out settings again. Okay, you can check content and privacy restrictions too. If you want to keep screen time on, go to settings, go to screen time again and go to content and privacy restrictions. Okay, and then turn it off or allow the specific option that's blocked. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.